In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Nova to Axiom. Now, this is an updated guide for 2025, so make sure you follow me all the way through. The first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Trust me, it's worth it. You will never regret it. It's packed with different premium features such as Twitter trackers, wallet trackers, etc. that are completely for free, whereas on the other platforms they will actually charge premium for that. So make sure you check that out. Now from here you'll actually first then have to go to Nova. So what you want to do is go to click.tradeonnova.io, which is their official website, and on here you want to click on download for Chrome. After you do this, click on add to Chrome over here in the app store, in the web store for Chrome, and click on add extension. And after that your extension will be added like this. Then what you want to do is go back and you want to click on Connect Telegram. Now, once this happens, it's going to take you to this site over here, and this is where I would actually recommend you click down below in the description, because I have a link which will automatically allow you to skip the waitlist, because for the first time, whenever you are basically starting to use Nova, it will put you in a waitlist, which you can only skip if you basically put in a code, a special code, or if somebody invites you via a link, which I have the link to down below. So I would recommend at this point you just click on the link down below and you'll come to the exact same page I'm at right now, and then you can click on either start bot or open in web if you want to open in the website like me, and then you'll just skip the waitlist and this is what you're gonna see. So it's basically gonna be your Nova Click. Now from here you want to click on launch Nova Click and then open. And what this will do basically is it will connect everything. It will say success. You're now connected to Nova Click. Simply press got it. Now, after you do this, you'll see a notification in here. It will say successfully connected to Nova Click. Now, from here, the process is very simple. What you have to do is you want to go to Axiom, and then on here, top right, you want to click on the puzzle icon, and I'm going to pin this extension, which is the Nova. Click on Nova, and then click on the power on button, and this will now enable Nova. It will refresh the Axiom website. If you go to polls over here, for example, and enter a coin, you should see this little panel over here, which is the Nova trading panel. If you don't see it, click on enable Nova panel over here in the extension, and this will show it on your screen. Now from here, what you'll also have to do is, of course, you'll have to connect a wallet. And for this, you have to go to Nova, so we can then connect the Axiom wallet to Nova. Click on these three dots, hover over them and click on start. And from here, you will see an option which says Wallets. Click on Wallets, and then click Import Wallet. From here, you will have to name it. So first, I'm going to just name this wallet, for example, 123 for this instance. And then you'll have to enter in your private key. To do this, you'll have to go to Axiom, click on this top right button, click on Account and Security. From here, let me close this. You want to click on Manage Wallets. And then you'll see all your wallets. You want to pick the wallet you want to connect to Nova Click, so it's going to be my main wallet. Click on over here, export private keys. You're going to do a security checkup, and after that, you'll see your private key. Copy it, paste it in here, and then your wallet will be successfully added, and you can basically just start using Nova together with Axiom over here, and the wallets will be connected. So that's pretty much it. Again, if you want to start using Axiom, there's a link down below in the description. Check it out and grab your 10% off trading fees. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.